Um, so I have taught a really nice practical lesson today to a year 9 class. I'm a chemist by trade. I don't really enjoy teaching some aspects of biology, but actually I have to teach biology because it's part of it's a combined science course that we're doing, and actually everybody has to do everything to year 9 classes. I was teaching a lesson about leaf structure, and I went to the ASE National Conference this year, and as part of the SATS network, I was able to look at some of the experiments they did around leaf structure and microscopy work, and did a practical on stomata, and have always done holly leaves, painting varnish on holly leaves, peeling the varnish off, the varnish being peeled up and not very nice and all manky, and then you look at it and you go, well, I can't really see that. And did a practical with purple Tradescantia today, which was really easy. Sliced the leaf off the plant, put it on a slide, put some sellotape over it, and students were actually able to see the guard cells and the stomata really well with no preparation at all. It was 20 times better than what I've done previously. And it was a real wow moment, being able to look at structures that we talked about and said, well, these are here because and why. And they were able to see something that they would otherwise not have been able to see. And also, as a secondary thing, we were able to revisit microscopes again. And I was really pleased on how, because we've been repeating microscopes throughout the throughout the 3 years they've been in school, the skills they have with microscopes are much better than they were 2 or 3 years ago, if we looked at a similar class.